Pranam, Namaste. I'm Mayura Patel, Gayatri Parivar, UK Croydon. Welcome to the weekly Rishi Chintan session. તમારા બધાનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે ઋષિ ચિંતનના સાનિધ્યમાં. આ આપણા વર્ષનો છેલ્લો રવિવાર છે. The last Sunday of 2020. Ravi mana Surya. Ravi means Surya, Lord Sun. Var means the day. And Ravivar is Surya no Var. That is the day to worship Lord Sun, the deity of Mother Gayatri. So every week we have been doing the Rishi Chintan reading from the Rishi Chintan book of Gayatri Parivar. Rishi Chintan na સાનિધ્યમાં. ઉદ્દેશ્ય ઊંચો રાખો. માટીના રમકડા જેટલી સહેલાઈથી મળે છે એટલી સહેલાઈથી સોનું મળતું નથી. The toys made of clay are very easily available. Gold is not very easily available. મન પાપ તરફ સહેલાઈથી જાય છે, પરંતુ એને પુણ્યકર્મો તરફ વાળવા માટે ખૂબ પ્રયત્ન કરવો પડે છે. We easily get drawn towards wrong things, but to stay on the right path, to live a virtuous life requires a lot of hard work. પાણીનો પ્રવાહ નીચેની તરફ ખૂબ ઝડપથી વહે છે, પરંતુ પાણીને જો ઊંચે ચડાવવું હોય તો પંપ મૂકવો પડે છે. The flow of water goes down more easily, but if you need to take the flow of water on the height, then you need a special pump. ખરાબ વિચાર તથા તામસી સંકલ્પ એવી બાબતો છે જે આપણું મનોરંજન કરતાં કરતાં આપણા મનમાં ઘૂસી જાય છે અને સાથે સાથે પોતાની મારક શક્તિને પણ લઈ આવે છે. સ્વાર્થમય નીચ ભાવનાઓનું વૈજ્ઞાનિક વિશ્લેષણ કરતાં જાણવા મળ્યું છે કે તે કાળા રંગની છરીઓ સમાન તીક્ષ્ણ અને તેજાબની જેમ દાહક હોય છે. To have bad thoughts and to take ourselves in the wrong direction, those thoughts enter in our conscience very easily, and it also drains our positive energy. To live a very selfish life with bad quality of thoughts, they are like very sharp knives who hurt other people after, but it hurts the person who harbors them first. તેમને જો થોડીક જગ્યા મળે તો તે પોતાની જેવી ઘણી સામગ્રીને ખેંચી લે છે. વિચારોમાં પણ પૃથ્વી વગેરે તત્વોની જેમ ખેંચવાની અને સિંચવાની શક્તિ હોય છે. If we give little space to such things in our life and in our conscience, then they have the tendency to attract more like bad vices, just like all other energies in the universe have a special tendency to release their good energies, like the good vibrations from the earth, like the good vibrations from the surrounding. In the same way, our thoughts have immense power to attract like wise thoughts. So positive thoughts attract more positive thoughts. Negative thoughts attract more negative thoughts. Bad thoughts attract more bad thoughts. And good thoughts attract more good thoughts. તે અનુસાર પોતાની ભાવનાને પુષ્ટ કરનાર એ જ જાતના વિચારો ઉડી ઉડીને ત્યાં એકત્રિત થવા લાગે છે. So they become like a beehive in our mind. આવો જ સારા વિચારોની બાબતમાં પણ છે. તેઓ પણ પોતાના જેવા વિચારોને એકઠા કરીને સશક્ત બનવામાં પાછા પડતા નથી. જેમણે ઘણા લાંબા સમય સુધી ખરાબ વિચારોને પોતાના મનમાં સ્થાન આપ્યું છે, એમને ચિંતા, ભય તથા નિરાશાનો શિકાર થવો જ પડે છે. So it is like good brings good and bad brings bad. If we harbor bad thoughts, bad feelings. By bad feelings, I mean that having a very clever mind towards other people. There is a big difference between a clever mind and an intelligent mind. An intelligent mind sleeps well at night, but a clever mind is always thinking of some kind of games in their mind. It's more calculative, and that is why people who are very clever, they are always busy thinking about making plots in their mind, either towards a thing, a situation, or a person. And such people cannot sleep peacefully at night. So Param Pujya Gurudev says, Uddeshya uncho rakho. Keep your thoughts high. Keep your intentions pure. Keep your intentions high. Because if our thoughts are pure, our intentions will be pure. If our thoughts are high, our intentions will be high. We will seek better things in life. We will achieve better goals in life. And that is why Param Pujya Gurudev is encouraging us to live an elevated life. By elevated life, it doesn't mean that you give up everything around you. It just means that you live a life with good virtues. And to have good virtues, we have to eliminate the bad. This is us. This is me. If I have a lot of bad in me, there is no place for good in me. And to make place for good in me, I have to get rid of the bad and make more space for the good to come in. So it is all about the self-cleansing process. 2020 has taught humanity a lot of things. We are coming to an end, and we sincerely pray for the good of all, for the best of all. And even if it is very difficult to mend certain things, but it is always very easy to just pray God and seek the right path in our life, by which our thoughts can be pure, our thoughts can be highly motivated, and hence our intentions will be pure, our intentions will be highly motivated, and hence we can live a more virtue, life of good virtues. I hope you find this useful. Today is the last Sunday, the last session of 2020 of Rishi Chintan, and next Sunday we will be in the new year 2021. Stay well, stay blessed. Pray, meditate, take some time out for yourself. Stay healthy. Om Shanti.